Hello friends, this is Gaurav and today I'm going to talk about the OTA update I have received on my Gionee E6. This is the first major software update given by the Gionee India. This is basically having a size of 353 MB. It's a pretty huge one. These are some of the things they have improved about it. It's summary about the updated Gionee extended app, also the updated V9 search, optimized UC browser loading time. They're talking about the new wallpapers and the new ringing tones. Then they are also talking about a new video player with a floating video function, and BBM and WeChat now part of the OS. So BBM got installed on my phone post the update, but WeChat had not been added on its own. So let's see what they have actually changed the things. When I click on this widget of it, you can see it's a brand new weather app, and you can hear and you can also see the background video playing. This is something pretty cool. Previously we just had a small a very small videos in the background but no audio effect. So now we have a completely brand new background videos for the weather app, as well as you can hear is the sound of a wind, and you can also see which various like this is the previews, the sunny day, for the cloudy day, rains, sunny evening, like overcast, thunderstorms, heavy rain. This is pretty nice. Snow, fog, sandstorm. So just all this. And you can also click on, I think, particular. No, I don't think so that works anymore. So this is like the city list. You can add the cities here. Apart from that, what additional feature I have seen, that now I can have a lot of apps in one separate folder. So I have regrouped all the other apps in one specific folder, and I can have a pages within the folders. Previously it was not possible, so only certain amount of apps you can have in each folder, but now you can have all apps just in one single folder. So that's possible thanks to the addition of pages. On the home screen, the lag has been reduced a lot. Obviously now I don't have any additional home screen since I have added all the apps in a specific for holders. There are some new icons, like the video icon has been changed. There is no major change in the gallery. I mean, I haven't seen any massive changes here. I still have a little bit of lag here. When I actually zoom in, you can see it's not it doesn't, I don't know whether you can see on this video, but it takes some times to to get the picture very clear. So overall it's okay. I mean, at least the the lag when I was actually navigating within the gallery app and certain other apps has been gone. Like you can see the music app is coming pretty fast. If you go to the these are the folder view, this is the album view, as I can have all this okay, if I just there's some last track was playing. So what I have noticed, major improvement is the speaker output. Apart from these minute things in the UI, the speaker output has gone up pretty high, as again I can show you for the ringing tones. Previously the single speaker output, even though at the bottom you see the two grills, but at the right is a speaker, this is for the mic, and the left is actually a ventilation vents, so that's not a speaker. So the previously ringer output was very less, as well as the music output that has been substantially increased. We also have now brand new ringers here. Most of the ringers are new except for the affixtion, which was also previously available. As you can see, these are seriously loud ringing tones now. So one major problem has been sorted out. I'm really hope that you won't miss any more calls if your phone rings in your pocket, because the ringer won't be very the ringer will be pretty loud. If you go to check the about phone, you still see the Android 4.2.1. The reason behind this, when I talk to their global product managers, they say that all Gionee new phones, especially these Elife series phones, they use some Amigo UI, and now it's been called as a Amigo OS. So we have this Amigo OS 1.0, and this is actually based on the Android's Jelly Bean edition. So unless and until they really don't update it to Amigo OS, I mean they don't update to the base, I mean when they will update these Amigo OS to the Android 4.4, only then we will have this Android 4.4.2 update, and they still don't have any clear idea when we can have this update. First major drawback I see is this notifications. When you pull down the notification pane, you can clearly see a very heavy lag. As you can see, it is not happening fast. It's taking a lot of time. I have formatted the phone. I have actually reinstalled everything, transfer the all content again, but still this lag is there. So I'm sure this is a clear bug in this update. So I don't know whether you're okay. If you're okay with this kind of laggy notification scrolling, you go ahead and flash the update. Otherwise the phone works pretty accurately. There is no any crash or no more excessive battery drains. In fact, the battery drain has further reduced. The previous battery performance of the Gionee phone on the previous firmware was already pretty great. Now they further improved the battery life. As you can see, this is, I haven't charged the phone. Sorry, I have locked the phone. Oh yeah. If you go to this battery, see here I don't have any scrolling lag. It's pretty smooth. The only problem in the notification pane. Where is the battery? Yeah, here's the battery we have. I haven't activated any CPU power saving mode, just battery percentage icon here, and as you can see, it's a 1 day 1 hour battery life. Obviously I am not using very high, but still you can see the screen on time is 2 hours and 9 minutes. So it's a substantially improvement in the battery life. The battery capacity of the Gionee Elife E6 is just 2000 mAh, and it's a built-in battery. It also charges within 2 hours. If you charge it with a higher amp charger like a 1.5 ampere or a 1.8 or max to max 2 ampere charger, it takes around 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours max. But the battery life is seriously good. No major improvements in the the camera or the UC browser. The startup is a little bit speedier, but not that pretty fast. I mean, no major changes. All this, the multitasking is still here. It's a pretty nice way of multitasking, and it's still here. And as you can see, the display is seriously bright. Let's reduce the brightness. Yeah, even at a very low brightness, you can see the display is pretty bright. So overall a nice update to it, but I really hope that Gionee will update this phone to the Android 4.4.2. The KitKat has to be given to this phone, because and most important thing that Gionee must really optimize their Amigo OS or Amigo UI, which is a scheme on top of the Android base. Okay, thanks for watching my video about the OTA update, the first OTA update Gionee E6 received here.